Welcome back to 5 Tech Arena. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of action with an adrenaline-pumping comparison of 5 top-tier action cameras, all priced under $350. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is the flagship action camera from GoPro, and it offers the best image quality and performance of any action camera on the market. It can shoot 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K video at 120 frames per second, and it has hyper-smooth 4.0 video stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth even when you're shaking the camera. The Hero 10 Black also has a new GP2 processor, which allows it to perform faster and more efficiently than previous GoPro models. The Insta360 ONE X2 360 is a 360-degree action camera that can capture everything around you in a single shot. It can shoot 5.7K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second and 4K 360-degree video at 50 frames per second. The ONE X2 360 also has a variety of features that make it easy to edit and share your 360-degree footage, such as flow state stabilization, time shift hyperlapse, and bullet time slow motion. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a versatile action camera that is perfect for a variety of activities. It can shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second and 1080p video at 240 frames per second. The Osmo Action 3 also has rock-steady 2.0 video stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth even in the most challenging conditions. The Osmo Action 3 also has a unique front-facing screen, which makes it perfect for vlogging and taking selfies. The Insta360 ONE RS 4K edition is a modular action camera that allows you to swap out different lenses and modules to get the perfect setup for your needs. It comes with a standard 4K lens, but you can also purchase a 360-degree lens, a wide-angle lens, or a telephoto lens. The ONE RS 4K edition also has flow state stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth even when you're moving around a lot. The DJI Action 2 is a tiny and lightweight action camera that is perfect for taking with you on the go. It can shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second and 1080p video at 240 frames per second. The Action 2 also has rock-steady 2.0 video stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth even in the most challenging conditions. The Action 2 is also very versatile, and it can be mounted in a variety of ways using its magnetic mounting system. Here is a list of features to consider when choosing an action camera: video quality, image stabilization, waterproofness, durability, and battery life. If you are looking for the best possible image quality and performance, then the GoPro Hero 10 Black is the best choice. If you are looking for a 360-degree action camera, then the Insta360 ONE X2 360 is a great option. If you are looking for a versatile action camera with a variety of features, then the DJI Osmo Action 3 is a good choice. If you are looking for a modular action camera, then the Insta360 ONE RS 4K edition is a good option. If you are looking for a tiny and lightweight action camera, then the DJI Action 2 is a good choice. Thanks for joining us today at 5 Tech Arena. Stay tuned for more exciting tech comparisons. And remember, it's not just tech, it's an arena.